Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make YouTube TV the default app on a Samsung Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. To get started, click on the Home button on your remote to access the home screen. Once you are on the home screen, navigate to the left side menu and scroll down to All Settings. Select this option to enter the settings page. On the settings page, scroll down to General and Privacy. Then, find and select the Start Screen option. Here, you will see an option labeled Auto Run Last App. Turn this feature on. What this does is simple. If you are using YouTube TV and then turn off your TV, when you turn it back on, it will automatically return to YouTube TV instead of the Samsung Smart TV home screen. While this technically doesn't set YouTube TV as your default app, if you primarily use YouTube TV, it will feel like it is your default app. So that's basically how you can make YouTube TV the default app on your Samsung Smart TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.